What are allergies? Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to PHI channel. Allergies happen when your immune system overreacts with something harmless, like dust, pollen, certain foods, and even pet fur. Your body treats it like a threat, and that's what brings the symptoms. Some of the common symptoms are sneezing, itchy and watchy eyes, runny and blocked nose, skin rashes, coughing, and swelling of the lips, eye, and then the face. But don't panic. Here is how to manage it. You identify and avoid your triggers. You keep your environment clean. Use antihistamines when needed. Prescribe medical attention if symptoms get worse. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for staying with me. As I always say, don't forget to like, follow, share, and comment for more. You can also ask your questions in my DM or in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.